used to call me every day. They tried to pull me in, I kept pushing away.
Hey my tinies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am so tiny. I am literally 4'10" and on my good days I am 4'11". Now today's look is actually going to be on this beautiful blue glitter cut crease, and since this is a trend right now, blue colors and stuff, I decided to go ahead and follow it. But anyways, we're going to start with our Flower Bomb from Mida's Cosmetics, and I'm actually going to start off by using Hummingbird, which is a super pigmented shadow. And I am going to use the M507, which is a super tampered brush, that just means it's pointed. And as you can see, I am just using patting motions around my crease line, I guess you can say. And the only reason why I'm starting off with a small amount of eyeshadow is because this shade is super pigmented and I did not want to mess up the look. But just start small and work your way up, basically.
See it coming because you snuck into my head, learned how to make me sweat. I gotta say I didn't see it coming, but now I'm so obsessed. I'm so obsessed, yeah. I don't even like you, and you're not my type, but you've been taking too much time to hit reply. What did I do? What the fuck did I do? I don't even know ya, but you took control, cause I don't have a problem, but you got me thinking that I do. What the fuck did I do? I do, oh. You used to call me every day. They tried to pull me in, I kept pushing away. It took 3 weeks to even learn your name, but you knew exactly how to play this game. Now I'm feeling some type of way. I gotta say I didn't see it coming, because you snuck into my head, learned how to make me sweat.
Next shade we're using is Hydrangea. I think that's how you say it, but it's literally just a lighter blue shade that we're going to be applying right above the Hummingbird shade. And we're going to be using the M506, and this one is a more mini blending brush, and it's just amazing. I really have been loving these brushes, guys, so I do recommend these brushes. Now we want half of the brush to actually be on top of the darker blue and half of it be on the I guess on the clean eyelid. But like I said, start with small amount and then work your way to applying a applying the pigmentation to your liking and just go back and forth, and just honestly just work with the colors, get the best blend that you can. Just honestly blending, just go back and forth with both shades and clean brush and everything. You know, it literally takes time to get that perfect blend. I'm not saying you're gonna get it like right away, but you will get it, trust me. Practice is key, and I've learned that the hard way as well. Now, I mean, as you can see, this looks very, very beautiful. It's already nicely blended basically, but I kind of want to take an extra step and try and blend it a little bit more, which is why I'm actually going to be using the M330 brush, which is a larger tampered brush, and we're just using this to basically just blend the outside of the shadows.
I didn't see it coming, 'cause you snuck into my head, learned how to make me sweat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I didn't see it coming, but now I'm so obsessed. I'm so obsessed. I don't even like you, you know my type, but you've been taking too much time to hit reply. What did I do? What did I do? I don't even know you, but you took control. I don't have a problem, but you got me thinking that I do. What the fuck did I do? I do.
Now here I'm using my L'Oreal True Match Concealer, and I've really been enjoying this concealer because it has a little brush, so I don't really have to go in with another flat brush, but I actually like to take that extra step just to get it nice and perfect. So just take your time, because if you screw up, then you gotta like try and redo this whole look. But just take your time and be patient.
It took 3 weeks to even learn your name, but you knew exactly how to play this game. Now I'm feeling some type of way. I gotta say, I didn't see it coming, because it snuck into my head, learned how to make me sweat. I gotta say, I didn't see it coming, but now I'm so obsessed. I'm so obsessed, yeah. I don't even like you, and you're not my type, but you've been taking too much time to hit reply. What did I do? What the fuck did I do? I don't even know ya, but you took control, 'cause I don't have a problem, but you got me thinking that I do. What the fuck did I do?
So now I'm taking Lily, which is a super light pink shade, and we're just gonna set the concealer. That way the glitter that we apply is nice and smooth.
We didn't start, so why is it ending? What about all those things you say? Were you just pretending? You made me feel that was the only point. Told me I'm beautiful, but made me want, yeah. How to just draw me and forget? I gotta say, I didn't see it coming, because you snuck into my head, learned how to make me sweat. I gotta say, I didn't see it coming, but now I'm so obsessed. I'm so obsessed, yeah. I don't even like you, and you're not my type, but you've been taking too much time to hit reply. What did I do? What the fuck did I do? I don't even know ya, but you took control, 'cause I don't have a problem, but you got me thinking that I do. What the fuck did I do? I do, oh.
So now we're gonna take Kala, which is a very pretty, like, glittery shade. And we're gonna use the same flat brush, and we're just literally like rubbing it all around our eyes, just so we can get that nice I have hooded eyes, guys, so regardless if I take my cut crease up above my eyelids, I'm still gonna get that transfer, and I've been trying so hard not to do that, but it just happens. Now we're just gonna take the hummingbird shadow, and we're just gonna blend it out. We're gonna be using this, the M507 brush to blend it out. Alright guys, so this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this look, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And these lashes are actually called Bombshell from Mida's Cosmetics. So if you guys like to purchase these, I do have the link down below in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye my tinies. Mwah.
I gotta say